Welcome to this video. I've got a really good one for you today. I hope you're well. I hope you're settling into the new year and everything is going smoothly. You're going to love this video and I'm going to make it short and to the point. But what it will help you with is if you're looking to make money in 2026, more specifically with an online business, I'm going to tell you something in this video that will really help you. I'm not going to spend ages about it and go all around the houses. I'm going to tell you something that you can literally get started with today that will make you 80% more likely. That's not a set figure, it's something I've made up, but if you do this, you are setting yourself apart from most people online. So this is also for you if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. Maybe you want to make money online but you're confused on what to get started with, a bit cynical, maybe you've tried stuff before and it just hasn't worked. This will really help you, because I'm willing to bet that the problem, if you're not having success online, probably isn't that you're not working hard enough, and it probably almost 100% likely you've tried enough methods. The biggest reason that people don't make money online is because they chase gimmicks instead of building assets. And that's going to make an even bigger difference in 2026. You know, before you're even thinking about the latest tool that's coming out, traffic generators, before AI, before social media for traffic, which are all valid. But before you start thinking about gimmicks, something quick to try that will make the difference, or tactics like what platform should you use, or what niche should you pick, or what's the fastest way to make money, all of that's backwards, and you'll probably end up not getting anywhere if you focus in on them things. So you're probably saying, well Chris, what do I do? The correct starting point that you can do today, really simply, is sit down today and work out how much money that you want to make. And the way it will work, I'll give you an example. You can see ClickBank here in the background, and that's sort of where I got started. It's not where I got started, but it's where I got started creating my own products. My first products were ClickBank products, and I had great success with them, and this is exactly what I did way back then. Let's say your goal for this year, 2026, is to make £5,000 a month online. But £5,000 a month, that's £60,000 or $5,000, or just change it like round about $8,000, just change it to your currency. But that works out, £5,000 would work out at £60,000 a year, be about $8,000 and about $80,000 a year. Instead of looking at what can you sell to make the money, ask yourself this question: what asset could I build that makes me £5,000 or dollars a month realistically? Okay, and an asset is something that you build that's actually going to make you money, normally in more than one way. I'll give you an example. So an example would be a niche website, an Amazon niche website, a ClickBank niche website. Not only do you build it and you build an income and it's generating you income, but then you could sell that further on down the line for more money. An email list for yourself promoting a product. You've then got a list of people that are on your list that you're providing value to, that you can send offers to down the line. I've got people on my email list, probably some of you watching, that I consider friends, that have been on my list for years and years. So the sooner you get started with that, that's an asset. A YouTube channel like this one, you know, that you're building up, and people are going to view your content if they like it, and it's an asset. I think that you can sell YouTube channels as well down the line, and you can also, I've done this, you can pair it up with a product and sell the YouTube channel and the product together. You can of course build your own product and then wrap all those things into place. I've actually built many products where I've had a YouTube channel, an email list and a niche website attached to it. They're all assets. Okay, so if you decide to create your own product, it could be a course, a guide, a system, something that genuinely helps someone solve a specific problem, and it doesn't need to be rocket science, it just needs to be your expertise. then what you start with is, if your product sells for $50, so let's go to dollars. If your product sells for $50, to make $5,000 a month, you need 100 sales. Okay, that's it. It doesn't mean that you need millions of views, viral fame, try out every single product, complicated funnels. You just need 100 people a month to find value in what you've built. And what does that look like? So 100 people a month is 3 to 4 sales a day, a small email list, a few YouTube videos, a simple funnel, and then you've got a goal that feels possible. So this is where most people fail. They're going to start with gimmicks and sort of fly by night things, and try and sort of make riches by doing nothing and finding the next thing to finger on the pulse. But the way you make money is you build assets, momentum that work in your favor. To start doing this in 2026, decide on your number. Do this today. Decide on your number, how much you want to make a month. Choose the asset that you want to build. I recommend starting with one niche website, your own product, then reverse engineering the path as we've just done, which is asset. I want to make $5,000 a month with it. How many sales do I need? 100 sales. How many does that work out a day? Then you've got a narrow path of exactly what you could do. You could get those sales from Facebook ads. You could get those sales from a YouTube channel. You could get those sales from posting on Reddit. You could get those sales from building an email list. You could get those sales from another cheaper pay-per-click platform. But then you've got your route to go, and you're building an asset, and then once it starts producing sales, not only have you got something that's paying you, but it's not a gimmick, it's something that's going to make you money. It's then something of value that if you decided to sell in the future, someone else will find it of value because it's making money. So I hope that helps you. That's my best advice on where to start in 2026. Don't chase gimmicks, get started, right? Keep it really simple, and if you want help with it, do check out the Beat the 9 to 5 bundle. I've put the link below, and that will give you all my products from 2024 and 2025, and of course the Beat to 9 to 5 bundle. It's here. I've put the link below. It's a limited special offer with all my products until that timer runs out, so not a lot of time left, and I've basically picked out 3 of my top products that will give you the quickest way to make money. So if you're looking for help with exactly what to do, you're not going to find better than that. It's really, really easy. It's all set up, and you can just follow it and start making money. So do check that out. That's in the link below. Do subscribe. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And in the next video, I'm going to go more into depth about what you can do. Okay? So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.